What if I told you I turned a $10 investment into a $1,200 payday in exactly 14 days? I didn't spend hours manually searching through junk databases. I used AI agents to hunt for high-authority expired domains, analyze their SEO value, and flip them for a 12,000% return on investment. Do you want to learn how to build a digital real estate portfolio that pays you while you sleep? Keep watching, because this is the future of domain flipping. Welcome back to AI Income Lab. I'm your host, and today we're pulling back the curtain on a strategy that most gurus keep hidden. We aren't just guessing which domains to buy, we are using AI to identify expired domains that still carry massive SEO weight from their previous lives. You'll learn how to audit sites in seconds, write killer sales copy that attracts buyers, and launch your own domain flipping business. Stick around until the end, because I'm revealing the authority score metric that separates the $10 domains from the $1,000 ones. The first step is finding the gold. I use Writesonic to analyze the historical content and keyword relevance of expired domains. Instead of manually checking backlinks for hours, I paste the domain data into Writesonic to generate an SEO summary. It tells me instantly if a domain has the juice to rank on Google. By filtering for high-authority backlinks, I can spot domains that companies are desperate to own. I spent $12 on registration and within 48 hours, I had 3 offers on Sedo. This isn't luck, it's data-driven decision-making powered by AI. Once I've secured a domain, I need to position it as a premium asset. This is where the Copy.ai free plan comes in. I use it to craft high-converting for-sale landing page copy. If you have a domain like greentechsolutions.com, you need to explain why a buyer needs it today. Copy.ai helps me write persuasive descriptions that highlight the SEO history and the potential for brand growth. I spent $0 on a copywriter, and the listings look like $1 million agency put them together. The secret is to focus on the benefit to the buyer, not just the name itself. To really close the deal, you need to stand out on platforms like Sedo or Afternic. I use Jasper AI to generate professional, authoritative bios for my domain listings. Jasper is a powerhouse, it understands marketing psychology better than most humans. By using their persuasive bullet point template, I list the domain's authority metrics in a way that creates extreme FOMO for potential buyers. You can get started with Jasper AI using the link in the description. It's an investment that pays for itself with your very first sale. If you want to look like a professional domain brokerage, stop typing manually and let Jasper do the heavy lifting. Sometimes, I add value to a domain before selling it. With the Hostinger AI website builder, I can spin up a professional one-page site on the domain in under 10 minutes. This increases the value significantly. A domain alone is a raw asset, but a domain with a pre-built, clean, SEO-optimized landing page is a business in a box. I've seen my flip prices jump from $200 to $1,200 just by adding this simple layer of polish. It's fully automated, requires no coding, and makes your domain look like a high-value acquisition. This is how you scale from one flip a month to one a week. Here's the secret sauce that separates the pros from the amateurs. Use Canva Pro to create a brand concept image for your domain. When a buyer visits your listing on Sedo, don't just show them text. Show them a logo and a brand identity. I use Canva Pro's AI features to whip up a logo in seconds. When a buyer sees a professional brand identity attached to a domain, they stop thinking about the cost and start thinking about the vision. Combine this with the professional listings from Jasper, and you have an unfair advantage that will help you close deals faster than anyone else in the market. There you have it, a clear path to $1,200 and beyond using AI. We covered SEO auditing with Writesonic, sales copy with Copy.ai and Jasper, and site building with Hostinger. Don't just watch, go register your first domain today. You'll find all the links to these tools in the description below, and using them helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you these high-profit strategies. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and comment domain below if you're going to try this. Let's get to work.